Just to tell me some Judah. Just surrounded by my little song from the JB tour. Husband, first get really touching up. Good shit. She tell me say she does swallow that tour that's good for the body. But you can't stop trying to run because I'm knocking out the designers up. All right, everything. Down, 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 down. You good from Ghana, Diamond from Sierra. Take my tail for you, got that. Take my tail for you, got that. Make some noise one time, ladies and gentlemen. You said what? You want to be my I said, how did you do? Hey! What? I know. I tell my mama, tell my papa, she said, everybody, let's go. When I spit, and my jacket, and my clip, and what's that? Shout out to my ladies, and Robinson. Now what? Let me swag, give it that we hold back. My time, I'm a Yoruba. See the black players, only coach. 25 girls, they want to join me. We got any shit. Which position do you know? It's all in there. What? Go! Yo, I don't know how to leave you to. I'm on the time, shit. What? I don't know how to leave you to. I'm gonna take it. Go, yeah.